Airwaive is the marketplace connecting operators with the sites and services they need to deploy networks. For an operator, a marketplace has many benefits: deploying faster with online site acquisition and leasing, cost savings with automation and market rates, and a simpler view of their assets, all online. In the operator application, networks can be planned, offers can be created, and contracts and payments executed. We'll go into more detail for these processes in this video. There's a separate application that property owners use. These hosts, as they're called in Airwaive, find offers from operators and apply. With 5G and new frequencies, millions of new sites are needed to densify networks. New types of sites, including commercial and residential rooftops, are expected to fill the gaps. In Airwaive, hosts are willing to review offers from operators to host wireless equipment. Hosts are first arranged by geography, defined within the blue polygon. Make it as big or as small as you want, or make it an entire city. Next, filter hosts by property type, height, and/or connectivity type. In 2D mode, you'll see Airwaive hosts that match this criteria. In 3D mode, you'll see all potential structures that match this criteria, not just Airwaive hosts. In this mode, you can zoom and pan around to see terrain and buildings. Structures that match your filter criteria will be visible. For example, that selected tower, or this selected commercial building. Another problem is deployments. With so many new sites that need to be deployed in such a short time, new deployment strategies are needed. Instead of the traditional centrally planned networks, simple rules can be applied to encourage self-organizing networks. Let's look at the self-organizing rules. First, set the minimum separation distance. This can be done by selecting a frequency and visualizing the coverage area. Make adjustments for your equipment if necessary, or type it in manually. Next, enter the number of hosts that you'll need, or use the map to estimate hosts by building out your coverage for the entire zone. In this example, we'll build overlapping circles for ideal host sites, including a tower. Another feature in 3D mode is line of sight. Choose any type of structure, including a tower, and height on the tower, and check for line of sight to any other structure. Airwaive will analyze for any buildings or terrain that's in the way. Next, enter the amount you're willing to pay for the site each month. If hosts are interested, they'll apply. And finally, before sending offers to potential hosts, confirm the equipment and contract that you'll be using for this offer. And now your offer's out. And then there's the issue of contracts and payments. With millions of new sites with different owners and different processes, the industry needs to change to a system that simplifies this process. Smart contracts begin with the selection process. Let's look at hosts that have applied, either in list view or in map view. Click on the application detail to see information about the host, including images that they have provided. Click on the host to message them with any questions. Click on the address to see it in 3D mode, and again use the RF tools to analyze, or right-click on a property to see that structure from street view and analyze the surroundings, such as trees and bushes. Once you have decided on the property, click Accept or Decline. Accept kicks off the contract process for electronic signature. Once the host signs, it returns to the operator for countersignature. These are smart contracts because everything is captured online and settled through Airwaive's clearinghouse. Operators get one invoice, and then Airwaive automatically settles with hosts based on rules that are established in the contracts.